afternoon, viewers, and welcome to Tahilah Graphic. Today we want to learn how to place our designs in a mockup. First of all, we are going to use Photoshop, and next we are going to use Photopea. And the design we are going to be using is a roll-up banner. Already the roll-up banner have been designed. That's the roll-up banner here. That's the one we are going to use. All right. And that's the one we are going to use here. That's the roll-up banner we are going to use. We want to place this in a mock-up using Photoshop and Photopea. All right. Now we open Photoshop. So that's it here. We open the Photoshop file. So this is the mockup file. So we go to guide and we remove all these text. We remove them. Okay. All right. We go to mockup and we go to banner. Okay. And we double click the thumbnail. Say okay. We remove all this right up. All right. We go to file and we say click on place embedded. So we look for that's it here, and we place it. So that's what we have. All right. I will say okay. It's transforming the place object. Now we click on this and we say yes. Our mockup is ready. Very simple. From Photoshop, you can quickly place your design in a mockup. With the design, with the mockup file, you can easily do this and place it on or in a mockup. All right. The next one we are going to use now, okay, you can as well save it by exporting it. Export as we are exporting. Okay, that's it. So you just click export all. Yeah. So the next is you go to your browser, that's Photopea. You click on it, Photopea Online Photo Editor. You click on it and Photopea opens. You go to File and you say Open. Then you search for the Photoshop file. It can be on a single file, it can be on a zipped folder. So we click on it and we say Open. It opened. We go to Guide. Then we remove all this text. Okay. We go to Mockup and we go to Banner and we double click on this thumbnail. All right. We remove all this. Okay. And we go to File and click Open and Place. So we search for the file again. Oh, that's it here. And we click Open. Yeah. So we set it. Okay. And we set it here. All right. Then we go to File and we click Save Smart Object. Okay. Then we click on this. We have our mockup. Right. So we have just learned how to place a design in a mockup. From Photoshop, we saw it, and now from Photopea. Okay? So before you can place a design on a mockup, you need to have the mockup file. And you can get the mockup file from freepik.com. www.freepik.com. From there, you can get your mockup files. Thank you for watching and God bless.